All right, testing one, two, three. Good morning, good evening, everyone, YouTubers and traders, depending on where you are. Today is June 26th. The time is almost 7 minutes before market open. So I already have the stock that is on my watch list. So the usual suspects: CCL, AAL, UAL, GPS, which is the Gap or retail store, INO, another pharmaceutical company, Wells Fargo company, which is representing the banking sector, ZGNX, I believe, let me see, I think CGNX is some kind of I think pharmaceutical company. Yeah, another pharmaceutical company. So I guess it's related with the coronavirus thing. And the other thing is DVAX, Dynavax. Yeah, this is another pharmaceutical company. So um, maybe I'm gonna replace because this one is just GMX. Yeah, I think I'm gonna replace that with NKI or Nike. Uh, Nike is also Nike stock price is on the high side, and I'm not really comfortable on trading something with a. Well, Nike is earning, so let me see. Nike is near. Wow, is it near? Oh, Nike is near all-time high. Wow. Nike is near all-time high. Nike is, I guess, earning season. So, all right. Yeah. So I'm replacing the DVAX with NKE, or the Nike, the apparel company. Okay. So all right. Let me see. How is the? I wonder if I should take XXL. Hmm. All right, let's see. It's slightly over than a minute for market open, and the SPY is flat. S&P is almost flat. So after a bounce yesterday, okay. Peak. CGMX and VX. Yep. Okay. All right. So market is 5 seconds before open. Let's see. All right. I know it's weak. AL is weak. CCL. Alright, so I'm trying to go long on AAL after it's forming a doji on the first minute. Let's see. Oh, jump in too early on the AAL. Alright, so AAL is actually a short. I jumped in too early after this hammer, so it's just market is weak. I guess, I don't know, market is weak, and AAL. Wow. I know cannot be shorted. CGNX. CGNX is wow. Wells Fargo. Wells Fargo looks like weak. I'm going short on Wells Fargo. Ah, fuck. Wells Fargo is, oh man, what a, one more short on UAL. So short on UAL. I'm adding a little bit more size on UAL. Yeah, come on. So I'm trying to go. NVA Aegis just popped up on the screen. So let's see. Oh, NVAX cannot be shorted. Yeah, I think market is really choppy. CGNX. CGNX. 49. Nothing. Nothing is clean today. GPS. Kind of like chasing it a little bit on CGNX, but try to go short one more time on NKE. Yeah. Alright, one more time short on Nike. See how it goes. Doesn't seem to move on Nike. What a I think I'm just gonna stop today. It's crazy, right? So I'm stopped at 1% of my account. That's it happens, right? You can just um, well, almost all of my stock that I trade, they are have a long week, which is makes me CGNX. Look at this CGNX. I should hold a little bit longer on CGNX. Yeah. Okay. So the first one that I take is AAL, right? So AAL, I'm going long. What happened is because wow, look at this long wick right here. The market is just indecisive. What happened is because there is this hammer candle coming in, and then I tried to go long on near this VWAP, but I get filled in this area. So naturally, I'm get quite nervous, and when the stock drop, it's a mess, right? So I'll just quickly get out. So that's for the AAL. The other trade that I took after that is so this one right here is just messed my whole psychology thing, right? So the other one that I took is the WFC. So WFC, I tried to go short, but it just doesn't go anywhere. So I tried to go short, and this is because this is a bearish engulfing, right? And then I go short in here, small size. When the stock retrace, I enter more position, but it just doesn't go anywhere. It just, chop up and down, up and down. So in this is really bad trade on WFC, and I lost the most on WFC on the short side, on the yeah. So I lost the most at the on the short side. Uh, what else? WFC. So right now I'm not sure if this is gonna go long or short. It looks like it's gonna short, but it's gonna be like a triple bottom on here. So it could be a reversal. We don't know, right? So market is not good today. Market is choppy. So another thing that I think is the UAL, NKE. Yeah, NKE is also choppy. What a mess on NKE. I try to go short and then it just doesn't go anywhere, right? So I was thinking that after this, the stock is starting weak and retrace back to the moving average and VWAP. So, and then this candle showed up, the shooting star candle, right? The shooting star candle usually means that the stock is going to continue going down, and it's confirmed with this bearish candle, right? I try to go short, doesn't go anywhere, get chopped out. That's for the NKE. I think the only thing that I made profitable is UAL. Yeah, UAL again. UAL saved the day. So UAL, I try to go short in here, quickly scalp, and I think I make the most money in here, and then the stock just retrace back to the my stop loss, and I get out. I think I make the most on my UAL. Yeah, so not much win today. So okay, I'm just gonna stop because otherwise the market is choppy. So in this, I mean, it's better to lose 1% than like 10%, right? Because I also am pretty much, let's see how many trade. Yeah, so I already had the stop limit also on the number of trades that I took. Okay, so all right, I guess I'll see you next week, same time, and